The Ohio Bureau of Workers' Compensation, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and volunteer temporary staffing companies make up the Temporary Worker Alliance. The Alliance has created this program to address accident and injury hazards for temporary workers. Landscaping, for the most part, is an outdoors occupation. Workers face a variety of hazards from this environment. Protect yourself against exposure to the sun and its ultraviolet radiation. Wear a hat and loosely fitting clothing. Also use sunscreen on your face, neck, and other exposed skin. Know the signs of heat-related disorders in yourself and others. Drink plenty of water and take rest breaks in cool, shady areas. Wear lightweight fabric clothing. Also learn to recognize symptoms of cold-related disorders. Whenever possible, rest in warm places that provide shelter from wind and precipitation. Dress in warm, layered clothing that pulls moisture away from the body. The outer layer must protect against wind and water. Wear gloves and shoes appropriate for the conditions. Ask for and use personal protective equipment. Many situations call for eye protection, and a variety of devices can prevent injuries from many sources. Hearing protection is necessary when using power equipment or anytime you must shout to be heard. Wear proper gloves to minimize hazards from sharp or rough objects and whenever handling herbicides, insecticides, fuels, and other substances. You also may need other protective clothing when working. Wear correct footwear for the work you do. Safety shoes are a good start, but you also need protection around chemicals. Learn to recognize plants that are capable of causing injury, such as thorn-bearing plants that can cut, or poisonous plants that can react harmfully with the skin. Long-sleeve clothing and thorough washing are the best means of protection. Take caution not to rub your eyes or face whenever you suspect you have been exposed to plant poisons. Wash contaminated clothing thoroughly. Landscaping also may expose workers to potentially dangerous contact with insects and animals. Be on guard against these and report bites and stings as necessary to get treatment. Your supervisor should bring in professional exterminators for many of these situations. Allergic reactions to plants, insects, or animals may be immediate or delayed. Seek treatment immediately if you suffer a reaction to exposure, a bite, or sting. Landscaping hand and power tools present many hazards. Have your supervisor explain safe use of tools and read tool instruction manuals when possible. Check the equipment prior to each use. Never remove or disable any tool or machine safety feature, and report unsafe equipment to your supervisor. Use caution when fueling or repairing power equipment. Clean up fuel or oil spills prior to using the equipment. Make sure that collection bags are fastened securely to equipment to prevent flying debris. Use a seat belt and stay within the safe area of machinery equipped with rollover protection. Do not ride on equipment not designed for passengers, and do not allow others to ride equipment that you operate. Please use this program as a